Hello people, I have got a new and interesting video tutorial. I just have to mention about that because sometimes Blender gets very cool features and updates. They implemented lots of new features since version 3.4.0 and higher. That is the best version which has been released. In Today I wanted to talk to you how to sharpen vertices when you want to create sharp vertices when you want to create umbrella. There is an interesting option, but I just have to check something because I think I added too many edges and I deleted that one. I think I don't need too many segments. Or you can have visible page. Today I wanted to check. There is option bevel weight and vertex crease. You can sharpen vertices. This did not exist. In the past you couldn't do that. In the past. No, you wouldn't do that. In old version of Blender, you didn't have this option available. Because of that, you can achieve sharp corners. Not just corners, but when you create model of the tank, you can really have cool looking object. You can do the same here. Depending what you want to do with it. When you turn on optimal display, you can see how beautiful mesh will be, and after conversion of the mesh, you will have nice, good looking polygon. You can still have nice shape after that, even with lower number of edges, because you can still reduce number of edges, and your polygon will still look nice, and I will show you. Even if you have used some different surface. And for example, we don't need that one. I wasn't going to talk about separate tool, but I was going to tell you how to reduce polygons, how to create sharp, beautiful shapes. You can see what Vertex Crease tool does. We didn't have this tool in the past. They added to version of Blender 3.0, I believe, because in Blender, which was released 2 years ago, that tool did not exist. Okay, I will have to clean up polymesh. Okay, now we have beautiful polygon, and we have not umbrella, but tent looking object. It looks like tent. You can do lots of things what comes up to your mind by using this tool. I hope you like video tutorial. Have a nice evening, guys.